Let 50 distinct positive integers be chosen such that the highest among them is 100. The average of the 25 largest 25 integers among them exceeds the average of the remaining integers by 50. The maximum possible value for the sum of all the 50 integers. So nice. 100 integers. Sorry, 50 integers, distinct, all of them. So the top 25 are here, bottom 25 are here. This will be some average. This will have some average. This difference is 50. Largest among these is 100. The average of the largest 25 integers among them exceeds the average of the remaining by 50. We want to find the maximum possible value of sum of all. We want it to be as high as possible. They are distinct. Forget about this 25. If these 25 are high, the average is 50. This will also be as high as possible. What is the scenario for these 25 being high? I have numbers that are close to each other starting from 100, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, and so on. That means I take 25 integers starting from 100, 76 to 100. Those are my 25 largest integers. What is the average among these? Will be the middle term, 100 plus 76 by 2, 176 by 2. This average will be 88. Beyond 88, 89 to 100, there are 12 numbers. Before 88, 87 to 76, there are 12 numbers. 88 is the middle term. That's where the average will properly offset. This side slightly lesser, slightly lower, greater, lower, greater, lower, perfectly offsetting each other. Average will be 88. Average of the 25 largest integers is 88. Average of the 25 smallest integers is 50 less than that, 38. What is the overall average, or what is the sum of all this? Sum of all this is 38 into 25. Sum of all this is 88 into 25. Or the total is 38 into 25 plus 88 into 25. Or 25 times 88 plus 38. 16, 1, 9 plus 3, 12. 25 into 126, or 50 into 63, or 100 into 31.5. 3150. 25 into 126 is 3150. That's maximum. Get that, maximize the largest 25 integers. That will automatically maximize that average, automatically maximize that set. That is maximize. The second one is automatically maximize because the differences between the averages is 50. The 25 largest integers have an average of 88. Smallest integers have the average of 38. It's the best case scenario. Overall total is 25 times 38 plus 88. 88 plus 38. Find that number.